very good evening to our viewers of Media Plus. Welcome to this Sunday's edition of the news. Well, this evening we'll bring to you a story on the matrilineal clan lineage of the Khasi tribe of Meghalaya. As we all know, Meghalaya is a state in the northeastern part of the country that houses a variety of traditions and culture through the presence of a variety of tribes within its fold.
What is special about the place is the flora and fauna that adorns its natural surroundings and its people, and also the matrilineal clan that is being followed amongst the Khasi and Jaintia tribes. This system is unique to only a few societies across the globe. The matrilineal clan system amongst the Khasis of Meghalaya is a unique kind where children inherit their mother's last name and females become the keepers of the family. What is different in this system is that the youngest daughter of the family ultimately becomes the custodian of ancestral property, while at the same time becomes the caretaker of her elder siblings and their families, especially in their times of need. While speaking about the matrilineal clan system, noted Khasi author Baspitan Karakor talked about the inheritance of not only property but of the surname of the mother that has made the Khasis and Jaintias a unique class of individuals.
Khasi, Khasi believe, không như một phe, thì có thể phá luôn cũng là vậy. Khasi yang kiri, như đó cái KBB được quân bạc, thì cái giải thì như KBB believe là không có bạc, người ta cầm đấy mà. Cái này nó cũng là chúng ta cái này cái giải cái gì, nó có cái này con yêu kéo về, cái mình sẽ kéo về, cái harus dah harus ini. Kali yang suka sama tu, dah kawai yang baik ini pergi kijat, kawai ekor, untuk siapa dah sahaja yang baik di kawai, yang baik di jodoh, jumlah suka. Kalau bukan pemenang, belum beli, sang. Ketip kor kangiri bertip lagi, kor mengitip lagi kah. Sekarang ini pa, ini lebih kah. Ring jaka, ring pakha, pakhana, lagi kalau ni pa, dia yang ini penting itu mama, pengemina, misal, jadi orang lagi jauh itu.
Kidan kiba ai sekajat kepah, kiba ajat kepah. Pismong kumno halor kata mama.
Kata orang long jinglet tenang iwe. Kami kerja terai ni. Malah nana kum kerja beliau ni dah. Kau si tiang si kata kan ni je beliau je pa. Tu kan lagi aja kami. Tak kalau pergi ke songsang ada. Kalau siang kalau ke asal kiling asal kijat. Tapi sekarang tu dah jam. Jadi beliau kasi beliau pakai mak ni. Lemah. Kadang apa pakai ke musuh semua kami biang dunia kan saya. Jadi sekarang si umur je beliau wah leh kamsang. Mau jadi kan saya jangan bencong. Haburan ni bisa dikah. Dikah bila tamangi kampau di pun musuh orang mentang yang orang Bangladesh. Musuh kata selistik dari orang Islam paling. Lawan hadir juga di mana Bengal, ada bicara di Sumatera Kue, di paling dapat yang Bengal berpolitik is. Macam mana dasar tahu dari sistem kuar di luar bagi Jaintia. Jadi bagi Jaintia kacang lalu kacang, kue hadu bah, Tripura, hadu Malaysia tadi ini, hadu negara nong diri itu tahap Jaintia. Jadi tu beliau kacang hari Jaintia sos semua. Ambil kasih juga ni dah, kau nak Jaintia ni. Jadi orang berkorok dia khas kumri nyudah. Islam suka kumri nyudah. Islam kaya nam si Malaysia kumri nyudah. Kumri. Orang nyudah di tempat orang lain apa orang ke? Orang indah. Asal orang tua dan nyau ke mau kamu lama nyau kuri pun. Kadang-kadang ini saya kasi long tapi masuk tahu boleh masuk sekolah negeri. Kerja kebanyak gini deh. Sebab mau China benar. Boleh warna sting, masa tanggal putra, lebih boleh. Ini boleh. Dia kerana niat sepanggani ka kursa po juga berkar mo i ngap kenta i panbo sauyan di karwan lang mo ki ka kajingwa jong ki mamaim ba ka terkini ki wan ki ketera ki longswa jong ki bromen no ki Hindu ki wan na artian de long gitu kim dei kim simle ki kelajan mana kamu dari bersebut akan yang masuk jadi kan lah yang di sekolah ini masih belum sekian kan dari belum kan tapi nunggu dari belum kan dari belum kan belum tahu lagi belum kan juga atau ngerti hata rukam bakasawan kan tim karma jadi mesti bicara lah pada waktu itu kerja di rumah itu nak nak yang sih jadi pun we poi kha ba we khon sim ko ko chi ha kala ka dei la pa kala ji u ka ne mu jadi ma ki sim ki sim su nga ba su ko ki kim tang jai nang tai khu ki kim tim ki khasi jung i bala bot nyam no shoi no ki Hindu ne ki Muslim ki adon ki khasi jung ki nang ajak khasi bre kum kitu bre ki kum gar kum khain jong ka i ko dustur ki jung ki khasi ka ka mo shu ba ko 我们是现在说拍那个没弄，下山下，那后来往沙漠干什么也来，你是要是谁，可是身边的八年话，那时候身边的八年话还这么大，跟不跟他个我一个旁边了，你那旁边了，我这人的路，succession，现在这么听他，这个这边弄给人把他没去过，他就往城里住，人工说真个什么差不一样，那旁边了，这。Katanya cuma aku pas makan dah, kalau kena mak Shillong sendiri terus besar, nak selek. Tapi dikasih ini saya pergi kah pergi beli jungi, pergi sehat, pergi kau tu orang kau dah. Bukan niam kau kajingbut niam kamu dah janji kita akan mau patron kita kalau mau pergi. Mau beli beda. Saya kan dia beli Hindu pada, kita nak ada Hindu mari dah Hindu soal Muslim yang dikasih patron. Kasih patron London. Mending bang bayi nong tua, nong tua gini kalau kita bikin le, jadi cuma ada muda, kita tinggal mungkin sama orang orang ni don't tinggal outdoor, luar misal sudah ada sudah ada muda, apa ya?
Well, it's time for us to take a short break. We'll be back with more, so please stay tuned.
You can draw or paint, you can sing and dance, you can take a picture in Reading Academies.
Media Plus caught up with a Khasi lady who, despite her busy schedule as a homemaker and entrepreneur, was able to find time to find her roots through the extensive research that she had undertaken a few years ago. Let us speak with Konghalda Karangapkanta, whose research has actually given us an insight into the origin of a particular clan or kur amongst the Khasi people of the state.
Well, we were told that our forefathers were from Natyam, they were the Pujaris, and they were brought by the scheme of Jaintia. And I had gone there to meet and to see and to do a research for myself, and I found that they belong to the Deshmukh clan or the Deshmukh surname or whatever they are. And they are known now as the Deshmukhya. And they told me that they originated from Andhra, and from Andhra they migrated to Bangladesh, then East Pakistan, and from there they were brought by the scheme of Jaintia to perform pujas for his various temples, especially the Hindu temple at Natyam. See, according to the practice, which was practiced then until today, these pujaris, they are still there, and whoever got married, especially the girls, they have to come out of the temple compound, and they always marry the local boys.
Okay.
And the male, they remain there. The eldest still continue to do pujas, but the women, they come out of the temple and they follow the husbands. Our ancestor's name was called Gauri, was known as Gauri. So she came out and she had 4 children. The children's name, the 4 daughters' names, we don't know much about the boys, whether she had any sons or not, that we don't know. But we were given the names of 4 girls, Tuli, Tulan and Haji, Haja. And from these 4 girls, again they multiplied, and then we have the Khasi.
Since I believe Southpaw means 4 wombs, right?
Yes. So from this Tuli, Tula, Haji, Haja, many girls have descended from them, and finally from one mother, she had 4 daughters. Sa, Han, Wan and Ngap.
Okay.
So Sa married Wian and became Sawian.
Okay.
Han married twice, one to Bo. So they were the children that the descendants were known as Panbo. And from her second marriage, she married Kwan, and from the second marriage, the descendants were known as Pankwan.
Okay.
Then one married Lang, and they were known as Karwan Lang. And Ngap married Kanto from Pandua or Purdiwa, and the descendants are known as Ngap and Lang.
So it's interesting to know that Panbo and Pankon are actually of the same clan.
Same mother.
The same mother, they descended from the same person.
Yes.
So you mean to say that these are also of the same clan?
Yeah, they are sisters.
Or the Kur,
Yes,
Panbo
Panbo
and
and Pankwan, they are the same.
they are the same. Okay. By looking at the family chronological chart, I can see that this is quite an extensive research that you had to do. So how long did it take you to complete the research?
It took me more than 20 years. Yes, there was so much difficulty because many of the people have died, our ancestors have died. So I could meet only some aunties and uncles, and then I had their writings.
Okay.
So from there, I inquired people, and that's how it was came about.
There are still ancestors of who are still there in Natyam till date.
Yes, they are still there. They are still performing pujas, and the present people who are there are many brothers. Some of them have come out of the compound temple because they had married locals, and even the boys also have come out because they are married elsewhere. And when I asked them about 6 years ago, which generation they belong to, from the first generation who arrived there, who were brought by this aim of Jaintia, they said they were the 27th generation.
So how many generations from the first till date are there under the Dakar? Have you been able to do the research?
That I have not been able to do. My chart, according to my chart, I have about 15 generations. Yes, these days it's easier because you can contact people by phone. And the earlier years, I would have to go and meet those grandmothers and granduncles and consult them.
While the Khasi and Jaintia tribes of Meghalaya follow the matrilineal clan system of lineage, yet matriarchy is something that has not yet found its place in our society. It is interesting to note that while women are the primary caregivers in the family and perform all household duties from cooking, cleaning and raising the children, it is the men on the other hand who are looked upon as providers in the family.
Well, I hope we've learned and come to know quite a bit about the matrilineal lineage clan system of the Khasi people of Meghalaya. We'll be bringing you more stories in the next few editions. Till then, it's goodbye and take care. And yes, we would like to remind you to also please like, subscribe and share our videos and watch us on YouTube at Media Plus Shillong. Bye-bye.